everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Fixed Job Scan function in your Invisi-Tag app. This is where everything you've done so far comes together, like your tag assignments and your job assignments. This is where you'll be continuously tracking your inventory. So to start, I'm going to hit Begin, and once I get to the main menu, I'm going to click Jobs. Once I'm on the Job Selection menu, I'm going to click Fixed Jobs, and here is where all of your electronic checklists that you have in your system will pop up. I'm going to select the truck that I want to scan that's leaving in the morning to make sure that they have all of their equipment that they should be leaving with. So to start, I'm going to hit Job 27. Once my handheld reader is connected, I'm going to go to my truck and pull the trigger on my reader to make sure that all of my assets are there. As you can see, the assets turn from red to green to show that they are on the truck. Once the job is ended, I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to get a job report. Here on this fixed job report, it says the truck name, the date and the time that the report was made, the total number of assets that are on the truck, and how many were detected and not detected. It also includes the asset names. Now that I have this report, I'm going to go back and scan another truck that's leaving this morning. I'm going to scan truck number 9 now and make sure that they are leaving with all the assets they should be leaving with. So I'm going to click truck number 9. Once my handheld reader is connected, I'm going to scan it. And as you can see, there are still 3 assets missing from my truck. I'm going to make this an incomplete job report, so I have to manually click Pick Up in the upper right-hand corner. Here you'll have your job report, and it's going to say the truck number, date, time, total amount of assets that should be on the truck, and how many were detected and how many were not detected, so you know if they're leaving with everything they're supposed to. The Fixed Job Scan function allows you to make sure that everybody's leaving with what they should be and returning with what they should be. And if any employees come back and you have red assets pop up when you scan their truck, you know who to hold responsible for missing items. This is how easy it is to use the Fixed Job Scan function in your Invisi-Tag app.